Hey guys, I just want to come on and do a quick unboxing. It's been Mother's Day weekend. My birthday just passed and I picked up a couple of things from the store. So I have a couple of things from ASOS. ASOS, I don't know. I've never ordered from them before. This company came up to me through my Facebook. So I will be opening this really quick, and I will be opening a package I got from Coach. So let's take a look. I'm so excited. This time I'm a little bit more prepared because I kind of pre-opened the box. Take out all this fluff. So the first thing I got is this. I've been on this perfume binge. So I bought this Coach Floral 4-pack. So this is the first thing that I bought. Super excited to see what's in it. And then the second thing that I bought is a very similar. And it is another perfume set, but it is the Wild Rose from Coach. So these are the two items that I recently bought. I also bought a couple of other perfumes for my birthday weekend, and I'll share a couple with you for the short. I bought this one, and here is the package. How beautiful is she? She smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm wearing her right now, and it's a 10 out of 10. And the other two small gifts that I bought for myself is this Burberry Goddess and this YSL Intense perfume. So these two I also got. Let's look and see what I got in the ASOS bag. Like I said, I've never ordered from this company before, but I do love an unboxing. I'm so excited. So the first thing I bought is this mustard colored dress. I am so excited to wear this. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this dress is. Now this dress is a size like 2. Oh girl. I'm hoping I can fit in this sucker. But look how beautiful this is. She is going to be the most beautiful dress I've ever seen. I can't wait to try her on. And then the second thing that I got is, oh my gosh, this beautiful green dress. So, how does this work? Oh, this is so confusing. So, okay, here we go. So this is the side. Here's the back. I'm going to try to put these on really quick, and maybe it won't be too long. Give me a second. Okay, so now I'm back. I tried on the first dress. Oh my goodness. I feel like a princess in this. This is so gorgeous. And like I said, I found this on Facebook. I've never heard of the company ASOS. And don't mind the back. I'm doing this by myself, so I can't zip it all the way up, but it fits so perfectly. I was afraid that the size that I ordered was too small. Oh, I don't know if I like the cleavage. There's a lot of cleavage there. But so far, this is really pretty. I wish there was more coverage up here. Maybe I should have went a size bigger so that this could be covered. But this is the dress. So flippin' gorgeous. It's all the way to my ankles. I am so short. Here's the back. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to try on the other dress. Okay, so here's the second dress that I got. Again, this is from ASOS. I've never heard of this brand before. I like this one because it doesn't have as much cleavage. I like the cutouts. And please forgive the back. I can't buckle it on my own. It should be buckled here. But you get the idea. This is so whimsical and so, it's just so me. Oh my goodness, I'm a bad bitch today. I am so excited about this gorgeous dress. Which one did you like more? Look at these sleeves. I'm a garden princess. I am a garden princess. Tell me which one you like.